Chica from FNAF. I think this is the last of the main animatronics anyway that I have to draw. Let's go. Landscape page. Pencil and an eraser for these. Sketch it out lightly. Hit pause if I go too fast. Let's start with the eyes. So, round eyes. Center point of my page is about here. Come up and the eyes will be along this space, right? So we will curve it around. Not like a perfect circle. They're kind of like, they stick out like a little bit down here. Kind of ovally. Okay. Another one just beside, like a little bit of a gap, and then up and over. It doesn't have to be like smooth round because it's like it's got like angles to it and stuff. So those eyes are real dark and sinister looking, right? And he's like frowning a bit. So we'll go across the top of this eye like that. And then we'll go around the bottom into there. The iris then, just like a half circle coming down from that top eyelid area. And then the pupil, just here like a black half circle or semicircle. Right, so then the other eyelid, same sort of thing again, you just curve it up and down. And then it comes around underneath, fairly narrow again. And then the iris and the pupil, again, a kind of a half circle or a semicircle just coming down from the top eyelid line. And then a big black pupil. Just there. Right, so there seems to be a beak and eyebrows. So we'll do the eyebrows, right? So like frowning sort of square little things. It's kind of thicker at the front end a little bit. Like that. Okay. And then the beak, right? So it kind of like curves up and down here. And then the front of it comes around like so. So this is like the top orange section. And then there's like little nostril holes, like quite skinny. I think it'll be a bit pointy at the top, it looks like. From there. And then the bottom of the beak, and there's like teeth and stuff in it as well. They're kind of sitting on the orange part. Okay, so that's different. So we'll go around the front first, curve it around. Trying to keep it even as we go. Right, and then we'll do the chin. So the bottom sort of half. There. And then there is all these square block like teeth, right? So there's like, so we'll go like here, one, and we'll do the diagonal lines first, 2, 3, there, right? And then there's a bit of a gap, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 1 there. Okay, and we got to make these kind of square looking. There's a bit of a rectangle, right? And then you go diagonal and up like that, right, to make them into like a bit of a box shape. Right. You do. A couple more of them, and then just like where the mouth and the tongue are, just sort of in between. There. Right, so then the head, so it just comes out from the bottom. So we'll go this way. That's good. It's kind of square. Sort of shape to it. It's not like a circle. Kind of goes diagonal out this way. And then it goes back in. And we got it like a little apple sort of shape thing going on at the top. Dips down, back up, down the other side. Kind of shaped like an apple, actually, his head. And then we have these little sort of leaves or hair that stick up here. And come out this side as well. And then there's like textures on the face, just to so sort of a shape and dirt and everything. Like so. Right. Now, so body, and then there's like a cupcake thing in the hand. Okay, so let's say the body. So we got like this bib, this white bib that comes around underneath here. It kind of bumps down for the shoulder on the side. The body shape then kind of down like this kind of a thing. And then comes around underneath like that. And we got a white bib, follows that shape on the inside again. And it says, "Let's eat" on it. It's kind of like purple and yellow. I'll draw it in. I'll just do a simple version. So we'll just go like, but it's kind of like bubbly lettering, so it's kind of easy. L. E. And it's got like pink and purple all around it, so. And then EAT. Like that. And it's like dirty, and you know, it's this. They're kind of grubby looking, so dirt and textures and stuff like that, right? So then like the body, so like it's got like a hole in it, so it kind of comes down this way around from the back of the belly, and then the inside just comes right around here, and then there's like some metal rods and stuff down here. And there's some metal rods on the neck as well. We can just see the back of that animatronic section there. Okay, so arms. So we have yellow shoulder pad. And then they have the arm section here, like the tricep and bicep section. Okay, and then the forearm. And then we just have the ball joints inside and like another one here with some like wires and stuff coming down. Another pipe in there, say. And maybe you can see like the inside of these, like the belly a little bit. And again, like textures and dirt and stuff all over. Like so. Next. So that cupcake that he's holding. So similar sort of situation to his own eyes and head. We'll get the shape maybe. So the hand is like down here holding a plate. We get the like pink part of the cupcake, right? So you just got this bumpy thing here, right? And this is the cupcake's head, right? So it comes around. Like that, right? Two bumps there are like eyebrows. And then the bottom part, so it's classical sort of cupcake. So it's got like a square bottom sort of a thing. And it's sitting on a saucer. It's like an ellipse. Sort of a shape like that. You could have like an extra little circle in there, maybe like an edge line to that. Then we have a candle up at the top. Right, and there's like eyes and details in there, but we'll just get the hand, Chica's hand in the right position. So there's like a finger here, and then the next finger sort of here. And he's like little finger pads or something on his fingers. And like another one here. And it'll join the back of the hand a little bit, so you'll have like more fingers going like down here, and the back of the palm of the hand just like comes underneath and then out to the next finger here, and you have that finger pad again. And then like you can see like the animatronic arm sort of down here somewhere. And then we'll join this up to the body with a shoulder pad just behind here. And then like, so the arm will go, say here somewhere. It goes down behind this. And you meet like another, and textures and dirt and some pipes in there. Okay, so then eyes for the cupcake. So he's like another little character, and he's got like teeth here, two big white teeth. And then the eyes similar circles to Chica's, kind of like that. And we'll give them those very thin eyes again. And then iris, big circle, pupil in the middle. Like so. And then the paper has like a top to it here, I think. It's like dark in there, a bit of a shadow. And then we just have like cupcake lines. Like that. Bum, 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 bum. Right. I think that's everything. Chica from FNAF. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.